a 10-minute tune-up that strengthens and stretches the entire body. This practice is a movement meditation, a body prayer to help guide us back to source. We begin the practice in mountain pose. Stand at the front of your mat, close your eyes, feel your feet ground. Stand tall, chest broad, and begin to breathe through your nose. And now inhale and stretch your arms up overhead. And exhale, slowly fold forward, coming into a forward fold, Uttanasana, legs straight or knees bent. Inhale, spine ripples, come onto your fingertips, flat back. Exhale, step your right leg back into a lunge. Inhale, come onto your fingertips, look up. Exhale, ground your palms. Inhale, step your left leg back, coming into plank, your belly's strong. Exhale, lower your knees, chest and chin, caterpillar. Inhale, slide into cobra, bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, stretch your right leg up to the sky, three-legged down dog. Exhale, draw your knee in towards the belly and place your foot between your hands. Inhale, come onto the fingertips, look up. Exhale, forward fold, so step your back foot forward. Inhale, sweep the arms, flat back, rise. And exhale, hands come into prayer. Again, inhale, stretch your arms up overhead, lengthen your body. And exhale, bow down, Uttanasana. Inhale, come onto the fingertips, ripple the spine, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, step your left leg back. Inhale, look up as you come onto your fingertips. And exhale, ground your palms. Inhale, step to plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin lower. Inhale, cobra, open the chest, work the shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg sweeps up, three-legged down dog. Exhale, bring your foot between your hands. Inhale, come onto your fingertips, look up, feel the lunge. And exhale, step your back foot forward and fold. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, hands to prayer. Slow, deep breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up overhead. This time take a little bit of a back bend. And then exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, spine ripples, flat back. Exhale, step your right leg back into a lunge. Now this time, inhale and sweep your arms up by the ears, fingertips reach to the sky. Exhale, lower your hands back down. Inhale, plank, body strong. Exhale, caterpillar. Inhale, slide into cobra, open the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog, work the heels down. Inhale, right leg coming up. And now exhale, right foot forward, lunge. Inhale, sweep your arms. And exhale, step your back foot forward, fold. Inhale, rise, arms sweeping forward and up, flat back. And exhale, hands come into prayer. Inhale, stretch your arms up, take a back bend. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, left leg steps back. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, lower your hands down. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra, really stretch. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg stretches up to the sky. Exhale, foot between the hands. Inhale, sweep the arms, high lunge. And exhale, lower your hands, step your back foot forward, forward fold. Inhale, rise up, arms stretching forward and up, flat back. And exhale, hands to prayer. Stand tall, tuned into the breath. Feel your strength. I'm strong, wise, compassionate, loving, beautiful. Inhale, come into chair pose, Utkatasana, circle the arms. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, step or jump back to plank and lower down. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg stretches up. Exhale, bring the foot between your hands, turn your left heel in and down. Inhale, sweep the arms, warrior one. Exhale, lower, pass through plank, and take it all the way down. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg stretches up. Exhale, foot between the hands, right heel turns down. Inhale, sweep the arms, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, lower the hands, pass through plank, Chaturanga or caterpillar. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, gaze forward between your hands. Exhale, bend your knees, step or jump, feet between your hands, flat back. And exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, chair pose. And exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, stretch your arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, spine ripples, come onto the fingertips. Exhale, step into plank. Now hold plank, take a deep inhale, feel the strength and the heat in the belly. Exhale, lower to caterpillar. Inhale, cobra, lengthen your spine, open your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg stretches up towards the sky. Exhale, foot between the hands, turn your left heel in and down. Inhale, arms sweep up, warrior 1. Exhale, arms open, warrior 2. Inhale into reverse warrior, right arm comes up and back, stretch. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, pivot your body and stretch both arms forward. And exhale, lower your hands down to your mat. Inhale, straighten your front leg, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bow down over the leg. Inhale, left arm coming up, come into triangle, enjoy that stretch. And exhale, lower the arm back down and bow over your leg. Inhale, slide into your lunge. Exhale, ground your palms. Inhale into plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, enjoy this cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg stretches up. Exhale, foot between the hands, right heel turns in and down. Inhale, sweep, warrior 1. Exhale, open, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse warrior, left arm up and back. Exhale, side angle, right arm stretching forward. Inhale, pivot, stretch both arms forward. Exhale, hands lower. Inhale, straighten your front leg as you lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow over the leg. Inhale, right arm up to the sky, open your chest, Trikonasana, triangle pose. Exhale, lower back down. Release over the leg. Inhale into your lunge. Exhale, release your palms. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, walk your feet forward. Exhale, fold over your legs, get a nice good stretch. Inhale, root to rise. And exhale, hands to the heart. Take a moment to honor this practice, this body prayer. And feeling connected, body, mind, and spirit. Namaste.